Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel, Israeli Math Concept. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you on the mean with frequency. Remember in my previous video, I taught you how to calculate for the mean without frequency. And I stated the formula for calculating the mean without frequency. But in this video today, I shall show you how to calculate for mean that involves frequency. As we proceed together, you will get to understand better what I mean by that. Remember that in my previous video, I said that the formula for calculating mean without frequency is as follows. And the formula is mean is equal to summation of x all over n. But in today's teaching, I shall give you another formula for calculating the mean with frequency. And that is mean. Remember that mean can still be called bar x. And obviously some persons call it x bar. So whether you call it bar x or x bar, they are still the same thing. So for the mean, which involves frequency, the mean is giving us summation of fx all over summation of f. So automatically, this formula involves frequency. And this is basically the formula we use for the calculation of mean with frequency. I have a question on the board I want to solve with this formula to show you how to impute your values and also find the mean of a given set of data which involves frequency. The example on the board says the following are the sizes of shoes worn by a group of students. And the sizes of those shoes are 9, 7, 6, 10, 11, 6, 8, 8, 9, 11, 7, 8, 9, 8, 11, 8, 6, 9, 8, 6. Full stop. So the question says we should find the mean size of the shoes. So how do we find the mean size of the shoes? It is very simple to do. There are two methods or formats of doing it. The first format or method is to solve it in a horizontal manner. But solving it in a horizontal manner will take our board and it will not accommodate our board. But there is another method of doing it, and the method is the use of table to compute for your values such that at the end of the day, you will be able to find the mean which you are asked to find. All right, let's go into detail. For us to use tabular method to calculate for the mean of this given set of data, which are the sizes of the shoes worn by a group of students. So to draw the table, first thing first, we draw our horizontal line and then we draw our vertical line. Then we begin to impute the parameters in this formula for mean, and the parameters in this formula are the x, the f, and the fx. So the first one is our x, and our x automatically are the sizes of the shoes. So remember that our x are the shoe sizes, that is our x. Then our F is the number of students with the same size of the shoes. So the number of students with the same size of the shoes, that is our F. Then the last parameter we have is the Fx. That is the product of F and the X. So automatically we are through with entering the parameters in this formula in this given table. Okay, for the summation of Fs, I will show you what it means as we proceed to solve. Then let's begin to enter the individual values of the sizes of the shoe. Remember the first column is the shoe sizes. So let's enter all the shoe sizes here. How do we enter it? Let's check for the smallest value of the shoe sizes. Checking for it, you will discover that it is 6. So the smallest value for the shoe size here is 6. So we start from the smallest value 6, followed by 7, followed by 8, followed by 9, followed by, is there anything? Yes, followed by 10, followed by 11. Is there any 12? We check. If there is no 12, we are true. So these are the sizes of the shoes we have. We are not repeating the values. For example, we have more than one 8 here. So we are not going to write the 8 here because automatically we are treating the mean with frequency. So at the part of the frequency, that is when we begin to consider how many values of 8 as a size do we have here. That is what we're going to enter on the next column. Okay, let's begin with the next column, which is the number of students, which is F. So how many students has the same size of their shoes as 6? Let's count it. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 students that has the same size of 6 as their shoe size. How many students has the size of 7 as their shoe size? This is 1. This is 2. There are just 2. Then we write it, there are 2 students. Then how many students were the size of 8? Let's count it. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. So we put it down 6. Then how many students wore a shoe size of 9? Let's check. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. So we have 4. Then how many students wore a shoe size of 10? Let's check it. This is first one. Then there are only 1, so we put down 1. Then how many students wore a shoe size of 11? So let's check. This is the first student. Is there any other student? This is the second student. This is the third student. So we write 3. So basically these are the frequencies or the number of students that wore the shoe sizes that are well written in this first column. Let's get to the next one. That is the next column, which is f of x. And f of x means the product of f and x. That is, we're going to multiply the f to this x. So the individual frequencies we have here, we shall be multiplying it with the individual scores, which are the shoe sizes we have here. So let's begin. Fx means f multiplied by x, and that is 4 times 6 will give us 24. Then 2 times 7 will give us 14. Then 6 times 8 will give us 48. Then 4 times 9 will give us 36. Then 1 multiplied by 10 will give us 10. Then 3 multiplied by 11 will give us 33. Okay, I told you earlier that I will show you what we mean by the term summation of f of x. So here we have the summation of f of x. So summation of f of x means to sum all these values of f of x. So let's sum it now. 4 plus 4 will give us 8, and 8 plus 8 will give us 16. 16 plus 6 will give us 22, and 22 plus 0 is still 22, and 22 plus 3 will give us 25. So we write 5, and then we borrow 2. Then let's come here also. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, and 11 plus 3 is 14. And 14 plus 2 will give us 16. So we have 16. So automatically the summation of fx will give us 165. Okay, in our formula also, apart from the summation of fx, we also have summation of f. So coming here also, we have summation of f. That is the summation of all the frequencies here. So let's sum it now. 4 plus 2 will give us 6, and 6 plus 6 will give us 12, and 12 plus 4 will give us 16. 16 plus 1 will give us 17, and 17 plus 3 will give us 20. So we have summation of f as 20. So I guess we are through with summation of fx and also summation of f. Let's now complete the solving. Remember the solving, that mean is equal to summation of f of x. So what is the summation of f of x? That is 165. So we put it down, 165, then divided by summation of f, which is the summation of frequency, and that is 20. Then 165 divided by 20 will give us 8.25. So this is our mean. So the mean of the sizes of this shoe which we are asked to find is 8.25. Remember that whenever you are given a question that pertains to mean with frequency, the formula you should use is this formula, which states that mean or bar x is equal to summation of f of x all over summation of f. Then compute your values in your table and then drop your answer for the mean. And that is all about it. Alright, remember to stay tuned by subscribing to my YouTube channel and as well clicking the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new math content, you'll be notified. Remember, in my subsequent video, I will be dropping videos as regarding to other measures of central tendency, which are the median and the mode. Stay tuned and remember to share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.